Okay, let's fix the Face ID on this iPhone XR, and the flex we are going to use is the I2C flex for this one. And let me just check it. So everything is recording happening. Yes. Face ID, Face ID, and Face ID. High low error. It's gonna be high low error. Face is out of view. Okay, so I had a phone call, and the meantime I was just taking the flex out. Let's show you the bigger cap. Right, okay, this is the flex for this. I've taken it out, and I'm going to test it on my I2C programmer if the flex is okay. These are some of the checks we have to do. Let's power it on first. Okay, and is it this one? XR. Okay, test, and it is error. So it's a fusing error. The MOSFET is fused, so we need to remove that MOSFET. Good. Okay, let's test it again. Test, and it is faulty. So without wasting any time, I'm just going to program the replacement flex, so this thing is out of the way and we can carry on with our repair. Okay, so this is the replacement flex. I'm going to read it now and then save it to number 2, unit 2. I'm going to save this data into the unit 2 data read. Okay, remove it, insert the replacement flex, and I'm going to test it first, and it's going to give me error. Then to write it, and I'm going to select unit 2 and select the unit 2 for writing, and it has written the data from this flex to this new replacement flex. But I just one more try, press test. So we have still an error. That's fine. Okay, so this is the flex, replacement flex. I2C programmer out of the way, and we will switch to the microscope. Okay, right, before we carry on with this repair, I want to put the tape on the cameras to save it from any dirt or dust. Just cut it and put it there. Just bear with me. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, so put the captain top on, and the temperature is set to lowest, which will be 100 or maybe 150, something like this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to remove this. Comes off easy. Remove the residue a little bit. Okay, Okay, before I do anything else, I want to put some marking lines on it. Okay, I'll go this way first. This side.
Now after that.
This goes here. Okay, the other side. And this side, this is a very important bit. Take all the time you need. Side. I know, I just want to make sure I'm on the right one on this one. Okay. Okay, that's much better. Okay, got some markings on it, and the temperature is 154. The direction of the air is important again, so let's keep it like that. Okay, we need to remove the glue that is in between the flex and the steel plate we have here. So we need to remove that white glue first. So the temperature is 154. I think it will do the job if I be patient. I don't need to increase the temperature. 154 is the minimum on my hot air station. Okay, I'm going to use the flat tool. This goes in between the flex and the steel plate, and you can see the white glue is starting to come off. So where else is it? That's it. Okay, this excess max, is it XR? I think it's not excess max. Yeah. Okay, removed it. I just want to make sure it's gone. The next step is to lift the plastic shield higher. We don't want the glue to be there, and if the glue is connected to the flex, then it's going to cause problems. Okay, you can see now I'm lifting the plate up and there is no glue. Okay, that's fine. Lifting the plate up. Okay, tweezer is taking all the hammering. Yep, that's better. Okay, now we have kind of a pad here. You try and remove it, because I know in this model, in this iPhone XR, there is like a pad in between the flex and the camera, so I'll take that off as well. The temperature is 154, air is at 0, so just giving it pure heat, very little heat. Okay, let's see if I can remove this bit. Yeah, it's coming off. This pad is in between the camera and the flex, so it will start coming out from this side, or I can push it from here. Okay, it's easy. Came out. I'm gonna put it on a side, need it later on. Okay, now we need to see if the dot projector and the flex dot projector and the prism, they need to be separated. So temperature is still 154, and you can see this direction of the air is still same. I haven't changed it. Okay, let's try to remove it. Not removed. It's cutting, but it's not gone all the way. It's not gone. So I'll keep it like this, and I will go in this direction. The pressure is right in the middle on top of the glue. This knife, okay, it's not crazy. Let's see if the glue is loose. Yes, it is loose. It's loose, yeah. Okay, one more thing. We have some holders like these steel holders. They are holding the dot prism and the dot projector together. I'm just disconnecting it. Okay, all three are off. I have a phone call. Okay, the other side of the flex, let's try and remove it. Okay, I have the hot air at 154 still. Always remember the direction of the air should be away from the camera plastics. You know, the camera in the front, it should not go towards that plastic, black plastic, because it will damage the camera. The Captain tape is also a precautionary measure. It will save the heat going there, but direction of the air is very important. You must be away from the cameras. Okay, let's try it out. Should give away. Okay, So the flex is off, so the glue has given away. Okay, and I'll take the flex out gently, and this should be some debris here. So
किसका फोन आया ऐसे?
get out. Okay, looks fine. Let's work on the flex now. Okay, so this is the dot projector. Let me just focus on myself first. Okay, that's fine, and that's okay. Let's get rid of this first. This is all okay. Temperature rise to 200 now. I want to remove that black glue that is holding the MOSFET. So this in the corner also. Temperature is 200 degree now. Look at the low temperature, you can still work, and it's very safe to work at these type of temperatures. Higher temperature will cause issues, problems here. Because it's very sensitive area. Okay, I think I should be okay now. Okay, I'll remove a little bit more glue. Then I will go for, okay, this bit is here. The temperature increased to 300 now because I want to remove this MOSFET. Should be very quick. Okay, edge of the knife under the IC, and lift it gently while giving the heat. Should give away. You can see it moving. Yep, it's gone. And let's put some flux. Oh, it's too much. Too much for this little tiny area. Okay, I'm using the Mechanics 0.02 mm non-insulated wire. So, and my heating element is off. God's sake. Okay, let's do it. So, mix some solder with unleaded. What I have is a leaded solder. Okay, this is done. Just going to, there's too much flux in this, so I just want to get rid of the excess flux. Okay, so clean cotton. Let's see. Okay, it's better. Not perfect, but better. I wasn't expecting that much flux to pass through that needle. It has, so it should not be a problem, to be honest. It's, remove some debris. Okay, put some air. Okay. I don't know what we have missed. The video was on the pause, so I'll check it later on. However, I'm just trying to adjust this IC onto the flags. Quite sure should be able to do it, but it's just taking a little bit more time than usual. Oh, it's sliding. Okay. Well, this is, yep, right in the middle. Right in the middle. Okay. So I'll just try to push it in. Yeah, so it makes a good contact with every single pin. That's it. Okay, testing time. Let's test it. Okay, let's test it with the test pass. So this is done well. Let's see. So this job all the way is here is okay. So let's align it now. Okay, this is iPhone XR. Look into the camera. Okay, we have it now. Let's follow our lines. Okay, do we have super glue ready? Oh, how condition is this? Yeah, it's gonna do its job. Oh, good. Okay, let's align it first. Okay, that looks straight to me. I'm gonna put the glue here. We have glue here. It's following the lights. Looks straight to me. Okay, I'll leave it to dry now, and after a few minutes we will check it. Pause the video now. Okay, the glue looks like it's dry now. Okay, I'm going to remove this tape and here also. Nice and clean. Okay, just clean the dot projector a little bit. Have some dirt on it. Okay, now let's test it. Get the bigger cam. This one. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put something behind it. Possibly this. Okay, let's do it. Check it. Okay. Okay. Let's bend it. Okay, I think it comes from underneath maybe. Okay, so this flex comes in first probably. Yep. Where does this one go? Okay, we have one more flex. God damn it, this goes under this flex. What a crappy flexi system. Okay, probably like this. Yeah. Wow, so many flexes. Yes, got them. Got this battery connector in the end.
HT this one. मेरी बात कर रहे थे.
Okay, all set. I have connected all the flexes and we will power it on now. Okay. Usually the Face ID, especially the dot projector's alignment, is a very big problem. However, with the guidelines that I put on before, they help a lot many times. Let's see. Okay, let's check this. Face ID. So let's check the Face ID on this camera now. And I've just inserted the password, and in the settings, Face ID, I'm gonna put password, set up Face ID, and let's check now. Okay. Whoa, yes, it is fixed. Yep. Continue, and this is done. So the Face ID is fixed on this phone. I'm going to check in the camera also. Portrait mode, continue, and if change the camera towards myself, and is doing the blur for the background. For the background is doing the blur. You can see natural light, and it's doing its job. So this is also done. I'm gonna just lock the phone once and check it with the Face ID. Yep, it's opened it. Yeah, so Face ID is fixed. It did take a lot of time to fix that alignment issue, because the alignment is very important, and then you need to use the right glue. I think the best glue, Mechanic has a glue. I've ordered it from China. It's coming, so I will test that. But the glue right now I'm using is doing its job. I don't know where it is now. Oh, here. Yeah, I'm using this glue, and it's doing its job, but I think it could be better. Things could be better, it could have a better glue, so it makes things so fast, so it can fix them quickly. So Face ID is fixed. I hope you learned something from this video. If there is any questions or if you want to leave any comments, you are welcome. And like and subscribe the channel if you want to see more of our videos. It will encourage us to make more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you again.